everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, our solar panels, Bob's going to put 4 of them here on this end of the house. This end of the house gets the sun as soon as the sun wakes up in the morning. And it was like, the system and everything is on the other side of the house, but why not have till noontime sun? And we watched it yesterday, and till noon, of course, the sun is just shining on there. And it seems like every morning the sun is up, shining bright on this wall. So he just made a frame here. And we're just going to set the panel in there, and then he's going to trim it after we get the panel in there. Okay, Bob just drilled 2 holes for the plugs to go down, and then they're going to hang down below. There, we got 1 up. 3 more to go on this side.
There you go. Everything is okay though. You dig under there, you little bugger?
Well, you're not really scared of people, hey? Hey, Jack. Or are you Jill?
It's hot.
Are you hot? You looking for some water? Well, we have the 4 panels up. Haven't got them connected or anything. Right now, since it's September 20th, we're just using what we have. We have a side of the house. This is going to get sunshine till 12 noon. So if the sun comes up at 7, we've got lots of charging time. If it doesn't work, we'll change it in the spring. But right now, we've got to get a pump to pump the water. Still haven't seen an electrician. He promised me yesterday he'd be here today. Yeah, it's been a month of hearing that. But anyways, if this works, we'll leave it on the side of the house. If it doesn't, we'll move it in spring. It's got to do something. I don't know what, or how good, or how efficient it's going to be. But hey, just think, look at all the siding we don't have to buy if it stays there. Bonus. So like everything here, it's been a learning curve. Remember, we mounted all the 4 solar panels to the wall. We didn't know any different. We had waited a month for the electrician to give us some guidance, and finally he called and said he couldn't make it. He couldn't fit us in. So we called another electrician, which immediately came and gave us guidance. We had 4 panels. He said put them in series of 3 and take them off the house, because I don't know if it's everywhere, but Canada, you can't have, if you have them on the house, you have to put an emergency stop button beside them, and they're $500 each. So we had this array. We were putting another one on the front of the house. That's 2 arrays. Plus we have the original 2 solar panels with the wind turbine. So that'd be $1,500. So he said all you have to do is take them off the house and move them forward. Well, no big deal. So we took down the solar panels, made the frame to fit 3 now instead of 4. So we can have 1 solar array facing straight east, and it will get the first sunlight as soon as the sun comes up in the morning until 12 noon. Bob used lag bolts to secure to the pressure treated post. Just extra security. And then up at the top, he used, I forget what those are called.
Hurricane ties.
Hurricane ties, he says. We don't want this going anywhere.